Good morning, guys. It's Phon-Er vlog 133. We are on our way to West Hollywood. The call came in from a referral again. Like always, most of our calls are referral calls and not from Yelp or anything. And it is hot today. Today is the 29th of August and it's 91 degrees. And I don't know if you can see it, but I'm like sweating. There's water pouring from my forehead, and it's pretty crazy. So. Okay guys, and we are off to West Hall. Let's do this. It's an iPhone 6 Black, so it should be a quick one. Simple, first generation, nothing complicated. So it's gonna be chill. So we'll see how it goes when we get there. In the meantime, stay off the sun if you're in Cali, and drink a lot of water to stay hydrated. That's about it, guys. We'll see you soon. Peace, Scott. Hey guys, that's about it. We just finished that iPhone 6 in West Hollywood. So now we are going to our car to drive back to LA and edit this video so we can see it and upload it, edit it, and upload it to you guys. So stay tuned for this coming up your way. And thank you for watching Phon-Er and vlog 133, and we are out. The cut.